Everyone is cooking KitKat after learning this genius idea. In 300 ml of boiling water, add 3 packets of KitKat, mix until completely dissolved. With our mixture now cold, let's add 3 eggs. Add a cup of sugar and let's mix again. Let's also add 80 ml of oil. And add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. A tablespoon of yeast, and let's mix again. This one is already the ideal point. Let's take it and transfer everything to a greased and floured pan. Then put it in the oven at 180 degrees and we will leave it for 45 minutes. And look guys, how amazing this cake is. Do it at your house, which I'm sure everyone will love. Just turn it over on a plate and enjoy. And I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from Pobre na Cocina. That strong hug. See you next time. And thanks.